can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Dolly4, and yes, I am back with another video. So if you guys are loving this look, you want to get into this look, honey, make sure you stay tuned because this video will be up next. I ain't gonna give y'all too many details, but just get into this smoky slay, okay honey? I did that. So this video is an unboxing. I am officially on PR for Pureroyalnessshco. They're a brand ran by a girl named Leah. I met her on Facebook. She's bomb. Like, she sells hair, she sells makeup products, she sells like lashes, everything. Is her company is so dope. And so I was sent some items in PR to represent her brand, and I want to say thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to do so. It means so much for like somebody. I'm not on a big platform, but on this platform, so I can share your products with my subscribers and my followers. I genuinely appreciate that. So I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm going to jump right into the unboxing. So I got the package yesterday. Of course, I already opened it and seen what was in there, so I'm just showing it to you guys so you guys can see. So one of the products that I have on already, so today I am wearing the MD4 lashes, which are the Pride lashes. They're just a really fluffy short to long mink lash. They're not 25mm, they're just your standard 3D mink lashes. I freaking love these lashes. They are so pretty, and they go perfect with this look because especially with a smoky eye, you don't want to do too much. It's already enough going on, so you need the perfect length, and I love these lashes. I was also sent a brow brush. Oh, hold on, let me show you guys. So this is the packaging. It comes in, of course, our address, and my address is on the front, so I'm not going to show you guys. But it's just a pretty purple package, and I love that because when you think of royalty, you think of purple, so this is perfect. So like I said, I was sent a brow brush, which I actually just used in the video to create this, and this brush is bomb, honey, okay? Like, it comes with, let me show you guys. It comes with the actual brush that you can use for like concealer or just to, you know, use pomade on the end, and then it comes with the spoolie on the end, and I really do like this brush. I just tested it out, as you guys can see, and it's really bomb. And I usually have problems when I use the other brow brushes to get my brows so perfect, like concealer get in there, and I get so annoyed. And yeah, that brush was perfect today. So I also got another pair of lashes from her, and everything comes wrapped in this plastic, which I love, because then you don't think somebody was touching my stuff or they had their hands on my stuff, because I'm not gonna be a germaphobe, so and stuff I be thinking. So these lashes are in the style MD7, and that's what they look like. And these lashes are called Luscious. I love these two. They're another like soft, they're not 25mm, but they're dramatic enough for me. And they're just like really soft and thin hair, and they also have that look where they're kind of wispy, but they're also like from a shorter length to a longer length, and I really like that. I also got these lashes. Now these ones are my favorite because y'all know I love me a super dramatic long lash. So these are the F14s, and these are by the name of Takeover, and yes, these are bomb. Like, sis, these will really take over. Like, you taking over for the 99 and 2000s in these lashes, okay? Period. Okay, I love these. I cannot wait to wear these. I don't know what kind of look I'm doing yet, but I will be rocking those really soon. And so I got a fourth pair of lashes, and these are in the style MD05, and these ones are called Savage, and that's just what they look like. I'm not for sure if these are like a 25mm style or not, but I feel like this would be also like a very good everyday lash, and I really think these are cute. Like, and I like that they look natural, so you can probably get away with this being more of a natural like lash instead of like an everyday, like, I mean, instead of like a super dramatic lash for everyday. I just feel like these would be good. So I also was sent a glitter, and she sent me this. It's their Royal Glitz Cosmetics. So it's just this turquoise glitter, and as y'all know, I'm addicted to glitter, so we don't even have to go there. So let me just show you guys the card. So this is her card, It says Pureroyalnesshairco, and then it has this on the back, 10% discount on your next order, and Pureroyalnesshairco, Slay with Royalty, Make 3D Lashes, and it's that's just all the information. So yes, like I said, I want to say thank you again to Pureroyalnessco for putting me on your PR and allowing me to slay your lashes. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do y'all justice. I'm gonna rock these lashes so right. Like, I'm in love with these ones. Like, they are perfect right now. And yeah, so if you guys want to see, like I said, if you guys want to stay tuned and see this look, stay tuned. It should be coming up next week, or it'll be up after this video rather. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much, because without you, these opportunities are not even possible. And I want to say comment, rate, and subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are on, and as always, I love you guys. Bye.
You can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.